Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time approaching the world of Blender, trust me, this is the video for you. Enjoy watching. Initially, you will find a cube on your interface. Change the size of it with S. You can decide which way to resize it with X, Y, Z. Now, we select the top face of the cube. You can decide whether to select vertices, sides, or faces. What I have done so far is to select the top face and extrude it with E. Now select the two sides on the ends as I did. With the sides selected, go to Mesh, Merge, and Collapse. Select all roof faces, right-click, and select Separate. With Section, it will create a separate mesh. You can move the meshes by pressing G plus one of the three dimensions X, Y, Z. Now press Shift plus A to create a new mesh. Create a cube. Always scale it with S in the way you prefer, and intersect it with the house to form the doorway. It's time to add your first modifier. Click the house, go to the modifier section, and add boolean. As an object, enter the cube, and then apply the modifier. Now with the same cube, we resize it and create with the same way the windows. Now, we add a modifier to the cube, the mirror modifier. As an object, we put the house and select the Y-axis inside the modifier. Now apply the mirror modifier and add the Boolean modifier to the house and apply it. After that, you can delete the cube. You can also add other accessories to the house. Now it is time for texture. Go to shading, click on what you want to color, click on new, and add the color. To save the work, press Ctrl plus S. If you have made it this far, please follow me and leave a like with comment. It costs you nothing but helps me a lot. Until the next video.